Dear student, last class we are discussing regarding the nomenclature and all. Now we'll move for the preparation of amines. How to prepare amines. Okay, different methods are there in organic chemistry to prepare any organic compound. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು preparation of amines. Amines general formula you should know. Okay, amines general formula you should know. RNH2. Now it is a primary amine. R should be alkyl or aryl halide. Alkyl or aryl halide ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Alkyl ಇರಬಹುದು, aryl ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಹುದು. R should be alkyl or aryl. Now we'll move for the first method to prepare amines. Okay, now reduction of nitro compound. You know the meaning of reduction. Okay, first year ಅಲ್ಲಿ already discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. What is the meaning of reduction? Either gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. In terms of electron, loss of electron is oxidation, gain of electron is reduction. Now reduction of which compound? It's a nitro compound. Nitro compound also an organic compound that should having NO2 present idre, that is nitro compound. Here also that should be bonded with the R should be alkyl or aryl, and nitro compound on reduction. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ palladium catalyst in a ethanol medium. So I will take nitro compound, that is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is an organic compound. Here NO2 group is present. So NO2 undergoes reduction by the catalytic hydrogenation. So H2 over palladium use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can say it is an catalytic hydrogenation that will remove the oxygen or insertion of what? Hydrogen to the nitro group. So we will get the NH2 in the place of NO2, which is nothing but removal of oxygen or addition of or replacement of hydrogen. So this is nothing but reduction. So nitrobenzene will convert it into aniline. Aniline is an amine. It's an aryl amine. Nitrobenzene will convert it to aniline by the help of catalytic reduction. One more method also present for reduction of nitro compound. What is that? Stannous over HCl or Fe by using HCl in an acidic medium. Some metal can undergo reduction. Okay, so here also nitro compound is present. SN or FB by using acidic medium will convert what? Aniline again. Nitro compound idre or nitrobenzene will convert it into aniline by the reduction process. In this there are two methods are there. Okay, SN over HCl or Fe over HCl. Out of these two, which is more economically good? Yadu Fe over HCl is more favored for this reduction process. Why? Because here it can convert FeCl2. By the reaction it will convert FeCl2. This FeCl2 can easily hydrolyze. It can again produce Fe plus HCl again. Okay, by the hydrolysis process we can again obtain HCl. That means what? Here usage of HCl we can reduce. Usage of HCl we can reduce because it will undergo recyclization. ಅಥವಾ ಪುನಃ ನಮಗೆ HCl ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೈಟ್ರೋ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ preparation method, that is aminolysis of alkyl halides. Here aminolysis andrenu? What are alkyl halides? Okay, avel nimge gothirbeku. Alkyl halides are nothing but RX. R should be any carbon containing group. Okay, RX is an alkyl halide. Okay, when this alkyl halide in this CX bond is present. Is it right? Alkyl halide, alkyl group containing carbon, halogen should be X. This CX bond is weaker bond. Okay, because there is an polarization is present, highly electronegative atom 17 group is present. So this bond we can easily break. ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ one concept ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು and one more nucleophilic substitution reaction. You know the nucleophile, negatively charged particles are nucleophile, positively charged particles are electrophiles. Here nucleophilic substitution reaction can take place. Substitution means what? Replacement of what? One nucleophile by another nucleophile. Here which nucleophile is used? ಯಾವ nucleophile ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಮಗೆ X ಬೇಡ. Okay, Rx is there. Rx can convert into RNH2. Actually we want what? NH2. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ nucleophile ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? You know one of the nucleophile, that is NH3. It is an nucleophile. Why? Because it is an electron rich molecule. This can easily breaks, or this can substitute X. Okay, NH3 can substitute X. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ aminolysis process can take place by the nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is the meaning of aminolysis process? It is a process by breaking of our CX bond by the ammonia. Okay, cleavage of, it's a process or direct like cleavage of CX bond by NH3, ammonia by NH3, that are known as aminolysis. You can take any Rx, alkyl halide. You can take any alkyl halide that should be treated with the NH3. So first it will form what? Substituted ammonium salt. What is that? Here nucleophile is there, here also nucleophile is there. The bond should be very weaker in this molecule. CX bonds are easily we can break down. That place can occupied by the NH3. So we will get the RNH3X. It's an substituted ammonium salt. Okay, so our intention is what? You should prepare RNH2. When this substituted ammonium salt undergoes hydrolysis, that will easily obtain the amines. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು hydrolysis ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get RNH2 will obtain. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ first step ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can easily obtain primary amine. Now it is an primary amine. This primary amine, if it is react with the one more molecule of Rx, if it is primary amine react with the one more molecule of Rx, it will produce secondary amine. Here also it can easily attach. Here this bond will cleave. Okay, so Rx will eliminate it along with the secondary amine is obtained. Primary amine in the first step, secondary amine hege? That primary amine can bonded or reacted with the Rx, it will produce X. So just see the red mark indicate one more alkyl halide. In that R should be replaced as the hydrogen and the reaction is proceed. Okay, one more Rx. If you take one more Rx to the reaction, so here this hydrogen can replace us by the R group. Okay, these R replaces the R group. So you will get the tertiary amine. Okay, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Now one more possibilities are there, that is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary means there should be 4 bonds for nitrogen. Okay, 4 bonds for the nitrogen. How it will obtain? When the tertiary amine is treated with the one more molecule of Rx, it will produce quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, quaternary ammonium salt. Now hydrolysis can done by some other reactions. Adalli ondu yavadu? This one. So here hydrolysis process. Okay, by using bases, RNH3X. Now it is obtained from the first step. RNH3X obtained from the first step. When it react to the NH2, we will get primary amine along with the side product like this H2O as well as NaX. Okay, NaX. Here you may get one doubt. What may be it? Here you will get all types of amines. If you want only one kind of amines, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ primary amine ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. If you want primary amines only, what will be the procedure? So consider it is an reaction pot. Okay, it's a reaction pot. If you add equimolar ratio of what? Rx and NH2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it will gives the mixture of all kinds of amines, primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, in case ಇದರ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, if you increase the quantity of Rx, so most of the product should be primary only. ಯಾಕೆ? These are highly reactive with the NH2. Primary amines are highly reactive with the NH2. ಎಷ್ಟು Rx ಇದೆ, how many Rx are there, that will directly bonded with or directly readily react to the NH3 to obtain this kind of salt. So followed by we'll get RNH2. In case ಇದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, NH2 NH3 ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, there also not possible, we'll get the different kinds of amines. So what is our intention? If you want only primary amines, you should use more number of what? Rx or NH2 obtain ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ Rx ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ NH3 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Now X should be different. Okay, so different kinds of X are there, F, Cl, Br and I. Among these, which is the highest reactive? ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಗ ಕ್ಲೀವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that should be highly reactive. So you should remember this. Ri has highly reactive with the NH2, then the RBr, then RCl. ಯಾಕೆ? I size is bigger. When the size is bigger, this bond can easily cleave. So goes on decreases Ri, RBr and RCl. This is an what? Arrangement or reactivity of Ri with the ammonolysis process. So yake, only the reason it can easily cleave due to bigger in size ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ it can easily cleave. Now we'll move for the next preparation method, that is reduction of amides, reduction of nitrile group. So nitrile group means what? RCN. Okay, RCN, nitrile means C triple bond N. Nitrile should be C triple bond N. Here actually we want primary amines. Okay, primary amines are what? Are NH2. Here N is present. How many hydrogens are required? Only 2 hydrogens are required. Then this bond should be cleaved. Again, double bond, triple bond or any molecule is present, then it will undergo reduction. Reduction means what? Addition of hydrogen across the double bond. It will done by the catalytic reduction. So catalytic reduction means what? Hydrogen by using finely powdered nickel ore or palladium, okay, or platinum by using, or one more, amalgam. Okay, you can use amalgam also. Sodium amalgam is used in the presence of ethanol. Here reduction is possible. So we will get the what? RNH2 primary amine we will obtain. Here double bond can inserted, C triple bond N is there. Okay, once hydrogen molecule come here, this bond will rupture and the new bond formation takes place between these two. But we required NH2 primary amine beku. So one more molecule of hydrogen is used that will cleave this bond and formation of new bond with these two. So we will get what? RCH2 NH2 as an primary amine, and it is also an reduction process. And next we will move for the reduction of amide. How the amides are obtained? What are the characteristics of amide? RC double bond O NH2. It should be an amide. Okay, ಯಾವ molecule ಅಲ್ಲಿ C double bond O NH2 ಬರ್ತದೆ, that should be an amide group. Amide group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು? double bond O is present. So this double bond can replaces by hydrogen. Okay, then easily ಈ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ it will get CrCH2 and H2. Now it becomes an amine. Our intention only what? In a product side there should be a presence of amines. Reactant side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್. Now how it will be done? Lithium aluminum hydride is using. So lithium aluminum hydrogen is in what? Good reducing agent. It can easily reduce or itself undergoes oxidation, but it can reduce the other molecule, so we can call it as an reducing agent. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುವಂತದ್ದು? ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O is an excess that can be reduced, okay, by using lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is used. Next preparatory method, that is Gabriel-Thallimide synthesis. These are very important for what? 3 mark questions. Okay, board exam ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 marks question ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 3 or 2 mark question ಗೆ reduce ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so you should know what is the process. Okay, you should by heart this and you should understood what are happening there. Okay, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So Gabriel-Thallimide is a scientist name, chemist name, and Thallimide is nothing but this compound. Okay, Thallimide is nothing but this compound. What is that? Amide, you know, RC double bond O NH2. What the imide means? This hydrogen replaced by one more CO group. So just see this group. Okay, double bond O, here carbon is present. Okay, carbon is present. C double bond O NH, C double bond O NH. Now it is an Thallimide. Okay, Thalimides. Okay, now these thaliamides can react to the KOH. These thaliamides react to the KOH. Here K is positive part, OH is negative part. In this group hydrogen can easily removed from this. When hydrogen is removed, hydrogen is positively charged. Okay, so this can be replaced by positive charge only. So where the positive charge, this group comes here. Okay, this group comes here. So next step alli enagtide, H can replace by K. So our intention is what? Preparation of amines. Okay, starting from this Thallimide, first step alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? KOH ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ H can replace by K. So we'll get this salt, Thallimide salt, potassium Thallimide salt. So here this K plus, it can treat it with the RX. This should be alkyl halides. Okay, this alkyl halides, again it's a negative part, now it's a positive part. This K and R compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ R can replace as the K as eliminated and bonded with the X, eliminated as KX. In case if you use CH3Br, KX should be KBr minus KBr. This CH3 will bonded with the nitrogen. Okay, this is the second step. We'll obtain like this. So what is the name of this compound? N-substituted. N-alkyl should bonded with the nitrogen. N-substituted Thallimide. This is the second step. So first step KOH just treat ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Second step we'll treat with the RX, should be alkyl halide. You can take any alkyl halides. That will replace as the K by R. R ಏನನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? K ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್. N ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ NaOH. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ NO can attach to carbonyl carbon. This bond will break. Same time, 2 molecules ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, it will attach here also. This bond will break. So ಇದೆರಡು bond break ಆಯ್ತು. So that will obtained by hydrogen and NO will attach to here. Okay, so we'll obtain like this. It's a salt. Okay, it's a phthalic salt and one more RNH2. So you concentrate on this. What is that? RNH2R. NH2. What it is? It is an amine. Which kind of amine? Primary amine. So Gabriel-Thalmette synthesis will prepare only for primary amine. I will ask one question. What is that? If you want CH3 CH2 NH2 molecule as the product, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ obtain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ replaced by this group. We will obtain the same compound. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ RNH2 RX should be CH3 CH2 NH2 ಆದರೆ primary amine it becomes CH3 CH2 NH2 is an obtained. Yavaga this should be RX CH3 CH2 X. So this is a Gabriel-Thalmette synthesis and very important for board exam. Board exam ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ important ಇರ್ತದೆ. Next we'll move for the last method to prepare what amines, primary amines. This also very important for 2 mark question. Last year also asked. Okay, that means 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is that? Hoffman bromamide degradation. Hoffman bromamide degradation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ mechanism ಏನು ಬೇಡ ನಿಮಗೆ, just you should remember the reactant as well as product. Reactant ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, product ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. What is that? Amide. Again, Hoffman bromamide. Amide is an starting material now. Amide is an starting material now. It is an amide. Okay, this amide will treated with the bromine. So bromamide degradation. Okay, bromine use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು amide ನ degradation ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಂತ reduce ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, here what is that? CO ನ replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, in case if you replace this CO, now it is becomes RNH2. The same process can happens in this also. What is that? Bromine molecule used by the help of what? Basic medium or 4 molecule of NaOH, and it can produce the primary amine. Here also it's a method to prepare what? Primary amine. Okay, but one thing you should remember here, I will take in particular example CH3 C double bond O NH2. Okay, NH2 it's an amide. It will treat it with the Br2 plus 4 molecule of NaOH to produce what? CH3 NH2. CH3 NH2 along with the side product like this. What is that? Na2CO3 plus 2NaBr plus H2O. Concentrate ಮಾಡೋದು main product ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. Again it is a primary amine. Okay, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? Here number of carbon 1 2, but here only 1. That means what? Degradation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ. So 1 carbon is less. 1 carbon is less. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ that should be a Hoffman bromamide degradation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, only possibility in Hoffman bromamide degradation. Okay, you can take any example. You can take any example. For example, CH3 CH NH2. So if it is the final product, ಇದು final product ಆದ್ರೆ what may be the starting material in a Hoffman bromamide? ಯಾವ starting material ಇರ್ತದೆ? Just imagine number of carbon 1 2 3 is there, but that should be substituted. ಇದು substitute ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. longest chain ಮಾತ್ರ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ starting material it becomes CH3 CH3. ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು. then you should write C double bond O and H2. okay, competitive ಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. okay, so expectation ಇರ್ತದೆ. what is that? in between these two direct bonded with the nitrogen ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದು ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ there's a Hoffman bromamide starting material. okay, this is about the preparation of what? amines. okay, thank you.